Hey guys, welcome back. It's Meka from Yes Please Planning. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of my Sunflowers and Sunshine Traveler's Notebook from the Planners Anonymous kit. Make sure you stay tuned through the end because that is where I'm going to give you all the details about Planners Anonymous, their Traveler's Notebooks, subscription kits, and my mini giveaway. On my elastic closure, I have a couple of charms from K&Co XOXO. My favorite right now is this little disco ball, and I know it doesn't match the kit, but I don't care. On the spine, there's a little charm here from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. Inside, I have my front pocket decorated with a few things here. This little pup is a die cut from the Sunflowers and Sunshine kit, and inside the window pocket here, I just did a little plastic packaging shaker. All this is packaging from the kit, one of the inspiration cards, sequins, and it's sealed with just this adhesive that's already on this piece of packaging. You will see throughout, as most of my planner spreads and setups have, a little word strips. Most of these are from Simple Stories. Inside the pockets, I just decorated a few note cards. These note cards are from Daiso with some of the washi and stickers from the kit. I don't normally make washi cards because I don't really travel with my traveler's notebooks, but I don't know, the mood struck me and I thought I would make this part of a little mini giveaway since I still have so much left over from the kit. So this is the washi that came with the kit. And then I pulled together a few more washis that I thought might coordinate. The kit comes with 6 cardstock sheets, 8.5 by 11 inches, and they are double-sided, so you get 2 each of 3 designs. As I love to do with my setups, throughout this TN you will see various elements repeating to make everything more cohesive. Now of course it's already cohesive because I'm using the coordinating papers that come with the kit, but there's also other elements that I like to repeat throughout. For example, you will see this sort of crochet ribbon trim here, these word strips as I mentioned, this border punch, and a few other elements. Of note here, this die cut came with the kit. However, I actually modified it to make it look a little bit more like me. So I will show you a little bit later on the image that the kit came with, and what I did was used watercolor. Let me see. I used these Julie Nutting watercolor pencils, hair and skin tones, all the time with my stickers and die cuts. As long as it's a matte sticker or die cut or paper, then I can watercolor right over it and it will usually blend in well. The inserts themselves are pretty much the same inserts that I've shown you in my other B6 Travelers notebook setups. I will link those down below, so if you're interested in what's actually inside, you can take a look at those videos. This I do want to show you because it's a layout that I made with Time to Unwind, one of the Planners Anonymous kits from, I believe, earlier this year. And I did the same thing with the girls, colored their skin a little darker and make curls on their hair where necessary, just to make it look a little bit more like me. I actually on this one used a stamp that came with this kit. Each month the Planners Anonymous kits come with a pretty large sheet of stamps, and I haven't used these yet. I'm going to make a layout with the stickers, and when I do, you will see some of these stamps in there. And these bows, this one and the black one, are from K&Co XOXO. Look in the description for coupon for her shop. There's also a code Yes Please Planning for subscriptions to Planners Anonymous. On the back here, I made it into a little pocket But just because I ended up, the way that I cut this paper, I needed a little extra piece to make it completely cover the insert. So I just, instead of gluing it completely, I just did a little bit more decorative, and it's actually like a little pocket. Not much. I didn't make it too deep. I didn't want to get, you know, too Meka with this one. So I just made something really simple out of it. So here we come to the next insert, and I tried something that I hadn't done in a while. I kind of distressed the edges of this sort of wall or window here. I don't love how it came out, but you know, it's not awful, it's okay. And it does kind of make it a little bit more rustic, which is kind of what I get the feel of with this kit. I took some of the wood grain sunflower washi from the kit and pleated it. This sticker pack is part of the Planners Anonymous sticker add-on kit. Along with your monthly subscription, you can subscribe to a sticker kit for I think about $15 more, and you get a bunch of stickers that are great for, especially for no white space planning. I love these Traveler's Notebook. I love these coffee sticks. I really love them all. There's just so many that I'm never going to be able to use them all, especially because I don't do no white space planning. But look how adorable these are. So I mentioned before that I would show you this previous image. Now you can see a little bit more what this image used to look like. If you are interested in a very rudimentary tutorial on what I do to change the appearance of my girl stickers, I don't always change them, but it's enjoyable to me to play with the watercolors and make something look different than the way that it came. And sometimes I get it right, sometimes I totally mess it up, but that's part of the process for me. Anyway, if you are interested in me doing a little tutorial on how I change the appearance of the girl's skin color and hair, please leave a comment down below. Now, you know I always do some kind of pocket folder type of thing with my setups. So this is, I just used that same border punch, and it was just a plain insert cover, a plain dashboard, and I just glued on. I didn't even do the gusset. I just glued to the edge a rectangle here on this side and on the back. Oh, more stickers. I think I was given an extra insert and an extra pack of stickers, so that's going to be part of the giveaway. But so these are the stickers that came with the TN kit. This pen came with the Planners Anonymous kit. Each month there is a crystal pen. This insert came with the kit, and as I said, I received an extra one, so this will be part of the giveaway as well. But it comes like this. I added just a couple of things, and I have not planned inside yet. So each week has a different color scheme and a different quote. And then in the middle, you have this beautiful double page spread artwork. And I will show you what I did with mine. My plan is to use this page as a journaling layout and just kind of freeform journal on the sky area. There's a life tracker here. I think this is a really good insert. I love how it has so many different things all within one insert. So this is kind of like all you need for the month. A coloring page, I hadn't noticed that before. So I just took a die cut from the kit, added some baker's twine here. And the only thing that I've done is I changed the artwork here. I'll show you a side-to-side comparison. On the back of this insert, this is what it looks like. It has the Planners Anonymous branding. And I just covered that up with a card that I found in my stash. For the last insert, I took one of the cards that came with the kit. She was either blonde or light brown hair, lighter skin. And I did the same thing with a watercolor, then came back with a pen on top and just made her hair curly. Be your gorgeous, blooming self. And then I just took some scraps from the rest of the project, folded them over as little tab decoration, and added some more of this crochet sort of trim here to carry that theme, as well as this baker's twine. This is a K&Co XOXO bow. I don't even know why I had this fabric in my stash, but I did. I probably have had it for years, and I thought this was a pretty good match, so maybe I'll, make a bow or something to go. That's it. Didn't add anything back here. For the back pocket, I added a Happy Planner transparent quote that says, "Get a little better every day," just to kind of add a little bit of interest to that. And then I made a tag just to stick in here. This would be something that I could, if I chose to, do some journaling across here, add some photos, or just have it for decoration. So every kit comes with a large girl die cut, and she has her own little story that goes along with the kit. So she says, "Hey y'all, sometimes the best thing to do is to get out into the sunshine." That's my Texas accent. Sorry, I'm from LA, but I'm gonna try anyway. "There's something about the color yellow that is an instant pick-me-up. And don't even get me started on sunflowers. Time to put on your boots, get happy and a little bit country, and come for and come for a ride with me. Love always, Caroline XOXO." Or is that hugs and kisses? Yeah, so how did I do, guys? So anyway, that's the story that goes along with this girl. They all have a name and a little story to kind of introduce you to the box. And they all come on this larger die cut. And I just left her as is. I didn't change her skin color or hair or anything, but can always do that some other time. I like the fact that this pocket here is so deep and so wide. It's big enough that you can actually put a bunch of extra pages or a full insert in there, or a stack of stickers or whatever, to go along with your setup. Now for the giveaway information. What you're going to get is this full washi sampler, some of these extra die cuts, these cute little index cards that I've decorated, an assortment of 10 sticker sheets for you to plan with, and this insert here. So what do you need to do to enter? 1, you need to be a subscriber to my channel. So if you're not a subscriber already, click that subscribe button right now. The second thing you need to do is leave a comment in the description box below. Let me know what your favorite part of this kit is. I highly encourage you to check out the Planners Anonymous Instagram. I will leave that link down below. And if you're interested in subscribing to their monthly kits or being able to get one of their exclusive subscriber TNs, you can use my discount code, YesPleasePlanning, for a discount on your first month's subscription. So you can go to plannersanon.com, And when it's time for you to check out, enter Yes Please Planning, and you should see that discount populate. And what's really awesome, shipping is free. Even though this kit is based out of Australia, shipping is free to Australia and to the United States. If you're interested in subscribing to Planners Anonymous, I will link an unboxing video so you can see the types of things that are generally included in the kits, but it's constantly evolving. Every few months you start seeing something different, so definitely check out their Instagram and their website to see what's most current. But basically, for a monthly kit, you will get papers, 3 washi that are always included. You get a crystal pen, stickers. Let's see, there's been sequins, die cuts, inspiration cards, the stamps. So that's a lot of stuff for one kit to use. You can use that. Of course, you can use it as a planner setup thing, but you can definitely use these things for scrapbooking, for card making, for any kind of paper crafting thing. It's not exclusively made for traveler's notebooks or for planner setups. So again, my discount code for the first month is Yes Please Planning. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below, or contact me on Instagram, or contact the Planners Anonymous Instagram and get your questions answered so you can sign up to this absolutely gorgeous monthly kit. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you sharing your time with me. Please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this and other planning goodies. And as always, come and say hi on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye-bye.